Creating a pleasant bedroom does not have to cost a fortune. Imagine snuggling into a soft bed surrounded by soothing hues, rich textures, and personalized decor, all at a reasonable price. Whether you want to update your current area or fully redesign it, tiny, cost-effective modifications can help transform your bedroom into a refuge. From soft lighting to ingenious upcycling, there are numerous ways to bring warmth and elegance to your space without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll look at basic, yet effective, comfortable bedroom decoration ideas on a budget that will make your home feel like a sanctuary. Use soft, warm colors when decorating your bedroom on a budget. Soft, warm colors can change the area without breaking the bank. Light beige, soft grays, and pastel tones are great for creating a relaxing and friendly atmosphere. They not only make the room seem more comfortable, but also make it appear larger and brighter. You don't have to spend money on expensive paints or wallpaper. Choose low-cost solutions at your local store to create a relaxing environment without breaking the bank. Add throw blankets and pillows. Throw blankets and pillows are a simple and affordable way to add comfort and flair to your bedroom. For a hint of luxury, consider textiles such as faux fur, crocheted, or velvet. You can combine different textures and colors to create a layered effect that makes the area feel warm and inviting. Investing in a few inexpensive things can radically transform the ambiance of your area. This easy method gives the space a velvety, comfortable atmosphere, ideal for curling up with a book or simply unwinding after a hard day. Rearrange your furniture. One of the simplest ways to make your bedroom feel cozier is to rearrange the furniture. Sometimes all it takes is a new arrangement to revitalize the room. Moving the bed or removing extraneous furniture can give the space a more open, personal vibe. Consider situating the bed in the center of the room or near a window to get natural light. This can increase the comfort and appeal of your room without costing you anything. A little ingenuity goes a long way. DIY wall art. Create bespoke, low-cost wall art to give your bedroom a distinct, warm atmosphere. There is no need to invest in expensive paintings or prints. Instead, use less expensive materials such as thrifted frames, canvas, or fabric. You can make abstract art, display a collection of images, or even frame a lovely cloth as a statement piece. This allows you to add your personality to the room while keeping prices down. Furthermore, DIY wall art adds a personal touch and makes the place feel completely your own, resulting in an environment that is both elegant and meaningful. Use fairy lights. Fairy lights are a cheap and efficient way to add warmth and charm to your bedroom. Stringing them along the bed frame, across a bookcase, or across the walls produces a soft, enchanting glow that instantly makes the room feel cozier. To make the place feel welcoming, you don't need to spend a lot of money on lighting. Fairy lights can change the ambiance, especially in the nights, and they look well with a variety of design types. This simple addition is an excellent way to bring comfort and style to your bedroom without making a large investment. Upcycle furniture. Upcycling is a great method to repurpose old furniture while saving money. Instead of purchasing new furniture, consider repainting or reupholstering existing chairs, tables, or dressers. A fresh coat of paint may transform a worn-out piece into something trendy and elegant. You can also replace old hardware with more modern options, such as brass handles. This not only saves money, but it also gives your bedroom design a one-of-a-kind, individualized look. Upcycled furniture can spark conversation while still keeping the area comfortable and affordable. Incorporate soft rugs. Adding a soft rug to your bedroom will quickly make it feel warmer and more inviting. Rugs help to define the space and can provide texture and color to the floor. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a designer rug. There are many affordable options available at numerous home stores and online. A warm rug can also provide additional comfort underfoot, particularly during the cooler months. Select a neutral or muted tone to mix nicely with your existing decor. A simple rug is a low-cost method to make your bedroom feel more opulent. Create a reading nook. A cozy reading nook can add both function and comfort to your bedroom. Find a corner of the room and add a comfortable chair, a small side table, and some soft lighting like a floor lamp or fairy lights. This quiet space can be perfect for reading, relaxing, or meditating. You can even add a soft throw blanket or pillows to make the nook extra cozy. The best part is that it doesn't require a large investment. Just a few affordable items and a little creativity can transform an unused corner into a relaxing retreat. Use curtains to add softness. Curtains are a simple method to soften the look of your bedroom while also creating a warm atmosphere. They contribute to a warm, personal environment by managing natural light and offering privacy. To enhance the room's comfort, choose drapes made of soft, flowing materials, such as linen or cotton. Choose cheap, neutral-toned drapes that complement your decor, and explore blackout alternatives if you require improved sleep quality. Curtains offer a cozy, serene, and fashionable atmosphere to your bedroom without breaking the bank. Repurpose decorative items. Repurposing ornamental objects you already have is an excellent way to add beauty to your bedroom on a budget. Vintage baskets, mason jars, and even vintage vases can be cleverly used to hold little items or give visual interest to a room. These reused pieces frequently have a story and can make an excellent addition to a comfortable, personalized bedroom. Whether you use them for decoration or useful storage, they contribute to a warm and welcome ambiance. Repurposing allows you to keep the room clutter-free while yet creating a pleasant, lived-in atmosphere. Conclusion: transforming your bedroom into a comfortable refuge does not have to be an expensive task. You may create a warm and appealing space by employing easy, cost-effective ideas, such as combining soothing colors, adding throw pillows, moving furniture, or even upcycling old furniture. DIY wall art, fairy lights, and a comfortable reading corner are all simple additions that can boost the warmth and charm of your bedroom. Don't forget to repurpose decorative items and choose soft rugs or curtains to complete the cozy vibe. These tips help you design a personalized, serene environment while keeping costs low. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips. Making your bedroom feel like a sanctuary without breaking the bank.